Now we are supposed to write a program to print this following pattern. So we are going to start with a preprocessor statement hash include studio.h. Then you're going to move with the int main and this. Now we're going to define a variables that we are going to use. It is int I comma j. I is for our rows and j is for our columns. So I is for vertical part, j is for horizontal part. We'll see it, okay? Then we're going to say char ch. It is a variable for the alphabets and their increment. Now we're going to start with a loop that's a for. So for I is equals to 1 semicolon I less than equals to 5 semicolon I plus plus. So I starts at 1, ends at 5 and increment by 1. And it is our vertical rows. So we have 5 rows, 5 vertical parts. Now I'm going to say that my ch is equals to a. Now here the ch tells us that every time I is going to enter a new line, it is going to start with my a, and here my a is nothing. A is my character, and single quote marks are used because it is a char word. It is not a string. In case of string, we are going to use double quotation marks. Now my next loop, I'm going to say for j is equals to 1, j is going to start with 1 semicolon. J less than equals to I, because I is 1, j is a, I is 2, j is ab, I is 3, j is abc. So this is how it is going, and j plus plus, it is also incrementing. Yep. Now I'm going to say that this is happening. So I'll say my printf %c, because it is a character, so therefore we are using %c comma ch. Now I'm going to say my ch plus plus. It is going to add my character. So supposingly it's second line. So first it is a, then ch plus plus is going to add b. If it is ab, then in the third line ch plus plus is going to add the c. So this is how it's going. Now we leave the loop of j or the part of j and we enter the for loop again. For loop again. That is not the nested part of the j. Now here I'm going to say printf new line. This symbolizes new line because our I is a vertical part, so we need every statement to be printed one by one in a single line. And in the end I'm going to do my return 0 statement. So this is the code. Let's see how it works here. I'll just run this. Yeah, this is how our code works. That's it. Thank you.